Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. I want to invite you for a webinar learning Power Query that I planned on the Thursday, September 25, 1930, so 7:30 p.m. Polish time. And on this webinar, we will learn how to import data from a CSV files with fixed width of columns, and sometimes those files will have headers, sometimes they won't. And we will also learn how to merge using with merges, aggregation, different kinds of aggregations data. And we will also learn to group using custom function, so the function that we won't find on user interface. We will also grade students based on the number of points, so based on threshold. We will also learn how to import data from PDF files, clean this data, transform it, and use different current regional settings for different numbers, different columns. You can subscribe to this webinar on the page, to which you will find the link in the video description.